Hi friends, today we will show you unboxing of E99 drone. So this is a SD camera drone and this has got a cool LED light and it can take a very good video and the capacity is good. So we'll open and show you how to use this drone. Let's first of all see this box. This is how it will look. Okay, let's open. Let's open this. Wow, this comes in a very nice case. Wow, this looks sleek. Okay, let's just take out the components one by one. This is the remote. All right, this is the drone. Wow, this looks super sleek. Let's put it here. Okay, let's take out this and the booklets. So this is the booklet and operation manual. Okay, we'll walk through this, right? So this is the drone battery, which we will show you how to use it. So this lead is to charge the drone battery. As you can see here, you just plug it in here, and this is a USB socket that you can use to charge the battery. Okay, what else do we have in here? So friends, this is a little screwdriver to actually tighten the screws if you want. This is like some landing parts and some extra wings in case there's some damage that you can replace. Okay, so now let's show you how to operate this drone. This, friends, is the remote to operate the drone. This is the power on off button. This is to, as you can see, the arrow up is to fly the drone. This, as you can see, arrow down is to land the drone. This toggle is for directions. This toggle is to maneuver the drone, and to use it, first of all, you have to put the battery here. Let's put the battery here. You have to put 3 cells of 1.5 AV and let's put them. Okay, close it. All right, now we have to put the battery in the drone. So this is the battery. This will go like this in the drone. Okay, careful, and you put it in. So after putting on the battery in the drone, let's see how this works. We have to open the drone like this. Open this like this. Okay, and you can see this is like the maximum vertical point to which it can be opened. Okay, then we open this, right? This is the maximum point to which it is opening, and then we open this. Look how cool this looks. Wow, this looks like a flying beagle or something. Okay, now we will first turn on the remote by pressing the power button here. As you can see, the green light means this is power on. And friends, so this has got like a speed button that if you want to increase the speed at which the drone is operating from 1 to 3. So let's we will show you the next step now. So this is the drone we have opened, and friends, this round thing, as you can see, is the camera, and this can be rotated like this to make the video. This is the power button, as you can see, of the drone. So we have to turn this on. Wow, look at how cool this is turning on. I really like this blinking on mode. One thing to note is when it's blinking, it means it is not yet connected to my remote. So we will show you how to connect this to the remote so it stops blinking. To connect to the drone for the remote, you have to turn it on one more time, And as you can see, the blinking has stopped and the light is green, which means these are now paired. To see that this is connected and working, I will just show you the maneuvering button to show that this is on. By turning on, I mean you just have to press very softly for very short time a button front. As you can see, and by turning it back down, it is now off. I will show you one more time. On. So the fans are rotating. Off. Looking at the operation manual, so we have to install this app on the phone. I will show you how to do that. So you scan the QR code, go to the link. This is the KY UFO app. And once this is open, we will show you how to set it up. We have now downloaded the UFO app. After the app is downloaded, you first have to go to the settings and make sure the Wi-Fi is on. You have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to Flow Wi-Fi, which is the drone. And then you go back to the app. And here you can see this is now connected. I will show you the camera. So I have lifted the drone, as you can see, and video is coming here and the camera is making the video. As you can see, this manual here, I am taking a video of this from the drone and it's working, it's connected. Now I will show you how to connect it to the phone. So let's connect the drone to the phone. So for that you have to take this out, okay, and you can put the phone in this compartment like this here. And as you can see, you can now operate the drone by holding and seeing the camera and the video output on your phone. So friends, we will now show you how to fly and move this drone. So we have now turned on the maneuver button and this is now in flight mode. As you can see, we showed you in a limited closed environment on how this drone can fly. But for maximum output and quality, this should be used in an open space. I would suggest that you use it a couple of times in low-lying areas, just for testing the output. And in our next video, you will see how we actually shoot some of the short videos in external environment where there is no walls and boundaries like we have in the house right now. So friends, this was the unboxing of the E99 drone. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions on how to set up and use this drone, please type in the comment section and we will get back to you with a response. Thank you. Bye bye.